Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing some tips on how to be more attractive in photos. All right guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. So let's jump right in here. The first one is to have a higher energy level. So find a way to boost your energy level. A lot of times if you have maybe some tea or some coffee or soda, something like that, something that'll give you a little bit of an energy boost, unless you're already naturally highly energetic. If you've got a little bit more energy, then that shows in the photos, so that is going to make you look a little bit better as well in photos. The next thing is to consider the type of clothing that you're wearing, the coloring of the clothing that you're wearing, if you have a choice on what to wear for the shoot. So there are, we all know kind of colors that look good on us and colors that do not look good on us. So if you have the choice, don't bring something that doesn't normally look attractive on you, because it is going to come across in the photos in the way that you look at the end. Plus, you already know that it's something that doesn't normally look good on you, so you're going to feel a little bit less confident, and that's, again, going to come across in the pictures as well. The next one is to keep your head up. Oftentimes, if we keep our head down, or your chin goes back, you know what that looks like if you've tried to take a selfie of yourself or take a picture and the front camera of yourself comes up and you've got your head angled down. That's not going to make you look as attractive. So make sure you're not raising your chin all the way up, but just at a nice even type level here, so that level with the camera, so you're not looking above it, but you're not tilting down your head below it, because that is not going to make you look as attractive at that angle from the camera. The next one is also to use tilts in your head as well. Notice you can make yourself look a little bit more slender, or sometimes too you do have like a better side. I know a lot of people that just say there's no really such thing as having a better side, but just tilting your head a little bit and turning in different directions is going to help you look a little bit more attractive as well. And then the last thing is that if you are thinking positive things, then that's also going to come out in your expressions and in the way that you look. So make sure that you're thinking about some positive things as you're standing there in front of the camera, so that does come out and that you are looking good. I hope these tips will help you out to have a little bit more confidence and to look better in front of the camera. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment on some tips you might have or things that you do to look a little bit more attractive in photos.